Welcome to the Simple Language. Learn English with simple stories, easy conversations, and clear pronunciation. Slowly, naturally, confidently. Let's begin. Mark, hey, oh my goodness, is that really you?
Mark! Ha! Yes, it's me. I'm standing right here.
You look great. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling really good, thanks. Life is busy, but I'm smiling. What about you? How are you doing?
I'm doing well. I'm trying something new these days. I'm waking up early every morning.
Wait, you are waking up early? The same Mark who slept until noon on our camping trip?
Yes, that mark is gone. I'm changing. I'm running in the park every morning now. Just 20 minutes. Easy and fun.
Wow, that's amazing. I'm proud of you. Okay, listeners, did you hear that? Repeat after Mark. I'm waking up early. I'm running in the park. Great sentences. Say them loud.
Good tip, Brian. Now, tell me, what are you doing in the mornings?
Okay, so first, I'm opening my eyes. That's step one. Very important step.
Okay, and step two?
Step two, I'm drinking a big glass of water right away. Before coffee, before my phone, just water.
Oh, I like that. Does it help?
Yes, my body is waking up faster now. Then I'm making coffee and I'm sitting on my balcony for 10 minutes. No phone, no noise, just me and the sky.
That sounds so peaceful. I'm feeling relaxed just listening to you.
Try it tomorrow. Listeners, here's your first tip. Drink water before your phone. Your brain will thank you.
Great tip. Okay, new question. Are you cooking more these days? Last time you said you wanted to learn new recipes.
Oh yes, I'm cooking a lot now. Last week I made chicken stir-fry with fresh vegetables and a special sauce.
Ooh, how did it taste?
It tasted incredible, like a real restaurant. My sister ate it and said, "Brian, did you order this?"
That's so funny. She didn't believe you cooked it?
She did not believe me. I had to show her the dirty pan as proof.
Okay, what about you, listeners? Can you cook? Repeat this sentence. I am cooking more these days. Say it with confidence.
Love it. Now, Mark, tell the truth. Are you still ordering pizza every night?
Okay, not every night. I'm learning too. I'm making avocado toast now with eggs, tomatoes, and a little chili. It's fast and healthy.
Wow, look at you, a chef.
A small chef. On busy days, I still order pizza, but don't tell anyone.
Your secret is safe. Listeners, here's tip number 2. Start with one simple recipe. Just one. Avocado toast is perfect. Short, easy, delicious.
Exactly. Okay, Brian, new topic, movies. Did you watch anything good recently?
I'm thinking... Yes, last week I watched a documentary about penguins.
Penguins?
They are very funny birds, Mark. Very serious faces, very silly walks. I'm laughing just thinking about it.
Okay. Well, I watched a comedy last weekend. It's about two old friends. They're driving across the country, and they're getting into so many funny situations.
Oh, that sounds fun. What's the best part?
One scene, they're driving, and suddenly a cow is standing in the road, just standing there, looking at them. And what are they doing? They're stopping the car. They're staring at the cow. The cow is staring back. Nobody's moving.
I love it. Listeners, did you notice? Mark said they're driving, they're stopping. That's the I am doing form. Very useful. Repeat, I am driving. I am singing. I am stopping. Beautiful.
Great catch, Brian. Okay, do you remember our old camping trip?
Oh no. Are we talking about that?
Yes, we got lost for 2 hours, no signal, one bottle of water, just trees everywhere.
I remember. I was walking in circles. I was looking left, I was looking right, everything looked the same.
And I was trying to read the map, but I was holding it upside down.
You were holding it upside down for 45 minutes, Mark. 45 minutes.
In my defense, both sides looked the same.
Listeners, here's a life tip and an English tip together. Always check your map and always practice before you need it, just like English.
So true. But we found the river, we followed the sound, and that night, best campfire ever.
Yes, we were sitting around the fire, we were telling stories, we were laughing until morning. Those memories are gold.
We should do something like that again. A day hike near the city. Just one day. What do you think?
I'm saying yes right now. Let's do it. I'm bringing my new camera too. I'm getting into photography these days.
Really? When did that start?
About 3 months ago. I'm taking photos of small things. A coffee cup, a rainy window, a sleepy cat.
A sleepy cat?
My neighbor's cat. She sits in the sun every afternoon. She's very photogenic, very professional.
Does she know she's a model?
I think she does. She always poses perfectly.
Listeners, notice how Brian said she sits in the sun. She poses perfectly. Short sentences, clear and easy. Repeat them. She sits in the sun. Great job.
And I started a small Instagram page. I'm posting one photo every 3 days with a short story.
Wow, really? Are people responding?
Yes, people are liking and commenting. I'm feeling really happy about it.
That's incredible. I'm proud of you, Brian. Seriously.
Thank you. Okay, here's tip number 3 for our listeners. Share what you love. A photo, a sentence in English, a small video. Sharing helps you grow.
Perfect tip. Okay, let's talk about getting to work. How are you getting to work these days?
I'm riding my bicycle when the weather is nice. 20 minutes, fresh air, feeling like a champion.
A champion on a bicycle. Love it. And when it rains?
When it rains, I'm taking the bus, and I'm standing very still because people are pushing, and I'm trying not to fall.
I understand that. I'm taking the subway now. 35 minutes, but I'm using that time to listen to podcasts and learn new words.
Smart. Listeners, here's tip number 4. Use travel time for learning. On the bus, on the train, 10 minutes of listening is better than nothing.
Exactly. Brian, are you still learning Spanish?
Yes, every morning, 15 minutes on my mobile phone. I open an app and practice Spanish. It judges me if I skip a day.
The app is very serious.
Very serious, but Spanish is beautiful. The sounds are music. One day, I'm going to visit Spain or Mexico.
I want to visit Japan. The food, the culture, the trains, everything is fascinating to me. I'm saving money right now for that trip.
Ooh, Japan. What food do you want to try first?
Ramen. Real ramen. In a small shop in Tokyo in the rain.
That sounds like a movie scene.
Maybe I'll bring a camera, like you.
Yes. Come on, listeners. Try this sentence. I am saving money for a trip. Say it. Believe it. Make it real.
I love that energy. Okay, favorite international food right now. Go.
Thai green curry. Spicy, creamy, perfect. I'm making it at home now, and it's turning out really good.
Ooh, I want to try it.
Next time, I'll cook for you. Deal?
Deal. I'm bringing cheesecake. No oven needed. Just mix, put in the fridge, and wait.
Wait, no oven? Is it real cheesecake?
It is 100% real cheesecake.
I'm not sure I believe you, like my sister and the chicken.
I'll bring the bowl as proof.
Okay. Listeners, here's tip number 5. Enjoy small moments. A meal with a friend, a funny conversation. These moments are what life is really about.
So true. Okay, Brian, tell everyone your weekend plans. full detail.
Okay, Saturday morning, I'm cleaning my apartment. It is a disaster right now. A beautiful, creative disaster.
A creative disaster. I like that.
Then I'm going shopping. Fresh fruit, fresh vegetables, maybe some chocolate for balance.
Of course, balance is important.
In the afternoon, I'm meeting my cousin for coffee. We're catching up. We didn't see each other since New Year.
Wow, that's a long time.
I know. And Sunday, I'm relaxing. I'm reading a book, I'm watching that new action movie, and I'm doing absolutely nothing stressful.
That sounds perfect. My Saturday, I'm going to my parents' house for lunch. My mom is making lasagna.
Oh, your mom's lasagna. The best.
The absolute best. Then in the evening, I'm playing football with friends in the park.
Are you any good at football?
I'm enthusiastic.
That's a very polite answer.
Sunday, I'm preparing for the new week, answering emails, checking my goals, getting ready.
Goals, yes. What's your big goal this month, Mark?
I want to read 2 books, exercise 5 times a week, and speak English every day, even just to myself.
Speaking to yourself counts. Listeners, talking alone is real practice. Say sentences in English while cooking, while walking, while brushing your teeth.
Yes. Here's a tip. Narrate your actions. Say, I am making coffee. I am opening the door. I am walking to the bus stop. Out loud.
That's tip number 6. And my goal? Finish my photography course. Post on my page every 3 days and drink 2 liters of water daily.
Let's check each other in 2 weeks.
Yes, friends keep each other on track. That's real friendship.
Okay, before we finish, some words for everyone listening. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
If you are a beginner, please don't feel shy. Everyone starts at 0. Everyone.
Even us. We were beginners too, and we're still learning every day.
Shadow this conversation. First, just listen. Second, repeat after Mark. Third, repeat after Brian. Fourth, record yourself and listen back.
And here's the final tip. Tip number 7. Speak loudly, not in your head, out loud. Your mouth needs practice. Your brain needs to hear your own voice.
Smile when you speak. It changes your voice. It makes you sound warm and confident. Try it right now. Smile and say, I am learning English and I am doing great.
You are doing great. We mean it. Every sentence you repeat is a step forward.
10 minutes every day beats 2 hours once a week. Small and consistent wins every time.
And use new words in real life today. If you learned fascinating, say it to someone. If you learned I'm getting into photography, use it. That's how words stick.
Brian, this was so fun. I'm really glad we did this.
Me too. My face hurts from smiling. That's how you know it was a good conversation.
Okay, let's plan that hike.
I'm already checking the weather. I'm packing my camera. I'm ready.
See you soon. And to everyone listening, thank you. Keep going. Stay consistent. Enjoy the journey.
You've got this. We're cheering for you, every single one of you.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye, and remember, keep repeating.
Thanks for watching The Simple Language. Keep learning, keep listening, and keep growing your English every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.